So as an enrolled student on this course, you will receive a huge bundle that I've compiled just for you. Now let me show you what the bundle includes. You're going to get a huge selection of icons. You can see here we have a bunch of icons. Let's look at a PNG. You click on this. These are the icons, some of the icons that you're going to be getting. So you can see all of these icons that you're going to be getting here. You'll also get background images. As you can see, there's this one background image here. When you double click, it's going to be a background image that you can use as a PSD file you can use in your applications, right? You can change it up, make it your own, change the colors and everything. All of that is included here for you. Also, I've included a Swift ebook that you can use to learn Swift language, okay? You're going to get decorative frames that you can use. As you can see here, there's different styles of different frames you can use to promote your applications that you build. They could be mobile applications as well as desktop applications that you end up building. So a lot of themes here. You have Christmas theme. All of these you can freely use, okay, and so many others. So you're going to also get a lot of different fonts. All these fonts you can actually use in your applications, right? You're going to get free game assets package that includes audio files, right? Special effects, as you can see here, right? All these different audio files that you can use for your games or even your applications, okay? And you have, of course, background music, such as this, right? And so many other things that you are going to be getting, such as holiday backgrounds. Again, you can see all of these you can get for your applications. Look, all of that. A lot of things that you're going to be getting. UI, user interfaces, assets, all of that. Okay, you have more and more and more. So many assets that you're going to be getting, okay? And of course, also in the game development assets, you have these PSDs files that you can actually use in your applications as well. You have this graphics pack, which has landscape obstacles that you can use, more obstacles, underwater obstacles. We have platforms. All of these packs that you can actually use to build your own applications. Also, I've included HTML5 responsive templates that you can use to showcase your applications that you build. So you can see all these different HTML templates that you can use. I have also this mobile design kit, so for Android, iOS, and Windows, that allows you to put all of those applications that you build in a visual appealing way for promotions and so forth for both Android, iOS, and Windows. I have more mobile icons here. As you can see, all of these mobile icons that you can use in your applications give a boost to your user interface as you build your apps. And the other thing we have here is a PSD design, mobile app design, that you can use to design your application. As you can see, this is professionally created, and you have all of this to actually use for your own applications. You have more icons, templates, you have PowerPoint templates, you have Keynote templates if you're on Mac, and many other templates and PDF as well. On top of that, you also have WordPress templates that you can use to showcase your own applications. Now, collectively, this huge bundle is worth over $5,000, and you are getting it all for free as part of this course to make life easy for you as you build your own applications. Now, on top of this massive bundle, I'm also giving you access to my highly rated book, From Zero to a Pro Mobile App Developer. So this ebook here gives you the full spectrum on how to successfully learn to code and launch your software developer career and earn money. I give you all the tips, everything that you need to be a successful developer. So once you're ready, if you go over to the next lecture, you will be able to download all of these files free.